Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove the paragraph symbol, also called the paragraph mark or pilcrow sign in Microsoft Word. If you are seeing this symbol on every line in your document, do not worry. It is not a virus and it is not a problem with your file. It is simply a formatting mark that has been turned on. The paragraph symbol, shown as this sign, appears when Microsoft Word is set to display formatting marks. These marks help show where paragraphs end, but many users do not want to see them while editing. The easiest way to remove the paragraph symbol in Word is to go to the Home tab. Then look for the paragraph section. There you will see the Show Hide button with this symbol. Click that button once, or just press Ctrl plus Shift plus 8. As soon as you click it, the paragraph marks will disappear. Now the paragraph symbol should be removed from your document. So that is how to remove the paragraph symbol in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Microsoft Word and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.